Hey everyone, this is Kanika. Welcome to the Bye Bye Day. This is a new series and probably the first one on my channel wherein we will be reviewing new products and different brands and we'll see if we shall buy them or we shall say bye to them. So let's start with today's video. But before that, please click on that subscribe button and hit that bell button to receive notifications whenever I post. So today we are reviewing the NYX Cosmetics City palette. These are recently launched in India and are available on Nykaa and on NYX stores. There are 8 variations in it and all of them are named after different cities. It retails for 1500 and you get in total of 22.6 grams of product in total. This is how it looks like from outside. It's a black cardboard packaging with the shade name written on it, that is in Rome, and at the back it has all the details mentioned, like it has one lipstick, 4 eyeshadows, a blush and a highlighter. I have ordered the shade in Rome because I feel the combination of this palette is perfect for Asian or Indian skins or the spring season which is coming up. So this is how the palette looks like from within. It has 4 eyeshadows. These eyeshadows are sort of shimmery. These are not matte, and this is sort of a pigment, not exactly a pigment, but like sort of a pigment. And this is the highlighter, a blush and the lipstick. This is their soft cream, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, soft matte lip cream in shade Rome itself. Let's have a look at their swatches now. So the texture of the complete palette is really smooth and soft. The pigmentation is amazing. The highlighter is on a pink, like has a pink undertone, and the blush is on a peachy nude side. As you can see, I am currently wearing it. I have created this complete look using this single palette. We have already looked at the swatches, so let's see how they perform on the skin now, and also if you want to learn how you can create this look using this one single palette, then please keep on watching. So this completes our eye makeup. It was really simple and very easy to do. The eyeshadows blended beautifully. There are a little fallouts which I can see on my face, but that's okay. I really like the pigmentation and how these eyeshadows blended. So I'm just going to complete the rest of my eyes, just put on some liner and mascara, and I'll be back. Okay, so I have completed my eyes. I have put on some liner and mascara. I'm not going for false lashes today. Moving on to our face, I have not contoured or bronzed. I have put on my foundation and set it with a powder. Now going on with the blush, I'm just going to take this on a blush brush. This is very much pigmented, so I'm just gonna dust it a little. I'm gonna put it. Okay, so it's a beautiful, very natural sort of a blush. I think I'm going to use this one throughout my summer now. and although it has shimmer in it, it is not that much shimmery on the cheeks. Moving on, I think the blush is looking really pretty, and I actually don't need to contour too much with it. So moving on to the highlighter, I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to take some. Let's see how it performs. Well, it is looking beautiful. It's a beautiful pink toned highlighter. Generally pink toned highlighter doesn't goes with warm skin tones the way like Asian skin tones are, but I think this one is looking beautiful. I'm just it is not that blending sort of a highlighter, but let's see if we can build it up. I think we can definitely build this up. This is looking beautiful. I'm just going to put some just above my brows. Some of my I don't like to put my highlighter like on the complete nose. I just like to put some in the middle here and some on the I'm just highlighting my usual areas. This highlighter is very easily buildable and it is not emphasizing any texture on my skin and giving me a beautiful glow. It's like glow from within. Okay. So we are done with our face. Now I'm moving on to the lipstick. Let's see how it goes on with our entire look. Lip color is looking beautiful. This is like a nude sort of a color for me. So this is the final look. I absolutely loved how it turned out. The highlighter is bomb. Like it's you can build this up. It can be a soft highlighter for day to day if you like your highlighters to be soft, and you can definitely build this up to a blinding one. And the blush, I'm totally in love with this, and I think this color is perfect for Indian skin tones and summers. I feel these palettes are amazing and you can create a soft look or a dramatic eye look just using one single palette. This is like super amazing. Also, they are perfect for traveling. It's definitely convenient to travel with one single product rather than carrying multiple products or different products for a blush, a highlighter and eyeshadows. So I absolutely love this one, and I know I'm going to carry it all over wherever I go. I will definitely try to get my hands on the other shades. As I told you, there are 8 variations in it. So I'll definitely try if I can get my hands on them and create more looks using the City palette. So my final verdict would be I absolutely love this palette in terms of texture, blendability, variations and pigmentation. This is a beautiful palette, and at a price it comes for it. I believe it's a steal deal. In just like 1500 rupees you're getting a lipstick, 4 eyeshadows, a blush and a highlighter, and a super cute packaging. Also, I forgot to mention it comes with a very sturdy mirror. The mirror is of very good quality. So if you are traveling, you don't have to wonder that if you're carrying a mirror or not. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want me to make more such videos and review more such products, then do give it a thumbs up. Or if you want me to review any particular brand or any particular product, then do mention it in the comment section. I would love to do it for you guys. For any further queries, you can also connect with me on my other social medias. My Instagram and Facebook handles are mentioned in the description box, or I'll mention them somewhere on the screen. So thank you so much for watching this video and giving your precious time to me. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.